Generally, Hujjaj don't fully grasp the essentials of the first gaze at Kaaba and the prayer which is made at that time. What one should do is to enter the haram without seeing it. Keep your eyes down and reach the mutaf, that is the courtyard, in the same state. Try to stand at a place of relative calm. At this point, while still looking down, first raise your hands and then look towards Kaaba. Now, this is the time you should pray for, continue to look at Kaaba and pray for as long as you can. Maybe for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever time you want to pray. This is the prayer of first gaze or first sight. At this time, all prayers are accepted, inshallah. It is in hadith that the prayer made at the first sight of Kaaba reaches the Arsh. It is generally believed that this distinction applies to first sight in one dedicated journey.